Morning. I'm outside the Morromar Apartments, Matagorda Lanzarote. Somebody sent me a message and they asked me how far the walk was from the apartments down over there to the beach. So I thought I'd do a quick video on that. There's Matagorda Shopping Centre. There's a couple of ways you can get down there, down the road and down the path with some steps. That's the way we're going to go today. Not going to rush the walk, leisurely pace. So let's head on down. Could always be real lazy and get one of the scooters. Done that a few times. Steps here are quite steep, so if you do struggle walking, then maybe use the road route. Well, there's only 2 sets of steps you need to go down. And then this little ramp. One more little ramp, and then it's relatively flat. Apartment on my right here is Las Gaviotas, Block 8. Give you an idea of how close that is to the beach as well. I'm not sure if the microphone's going to pick up that background noise. There is some workmen doing some work here. Hopefully it doesn't. These are Las Gaviotas apartments as well. I've stayed here before, really good apartments. Just the one road to cross. Currently about 10 a.m, about 23, 24 Celsius at the minute. Hotel there on the right is the Sol. Do get some funny looks when you're walking around with a camera. Looks like somebody's lost a scooter. There we go. Camera says I'm at just under 6 minutes, so not too far a walk. There's the beach. Shopping centre just over there. Please check out my other videos, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Cheers.